and I study in Chitrakuta school and I am from 9th standard. Today I am going to talk about World Bicycle Day. In April 2018, the United Nations General Assembly declared June 3rd as the International World Bicycle Day. The International World Bicycle Day recognizes the versatility and the uniqueness of the bicycles, and also it was used from 2 centuries. It is also simple, affordable and environmentally fit, sustainable means of transport. It is also celebrated to remember the discovery of the LSD, or rather it commemorates the discovery that the LSD can evoke significant shifts of consciousness even in low doses. There are many benefits of riding the bicycle. Some of them are increased cardiovascular fitness, decreased stress level, decreases body fats, prevention or management against diseases, and many more. I would like to conclude my talk by telling that there are many benefits of riding the bicycle and we must celebrate the World Bicycle Day every year. Thank you.